Alright, so if you're here, I'm gonna assume you want to know how I made this freaking awesome hippie costume from this sweater that I had. And pay attention to these pants right here because I'm going to show you how I made those too. Alright, so first I'm going to start with the sweater I had. And basically, all you need is scissors. All I did was cut the sleeves. And I'm just showing you where the seam is. I basically cut right along the seam. And you want to keep the sleeve as whole as you can, because we are going to use those when we do the pants. So you want to keep that. Alright, so that was the sleeve. I just finished. Don't forget, don't mess it up because you need it for these pants right here. Alright, so that's it. I just did the same thing to the other side, and just be careful not to cut both seams at the same time because it might mess you up. So after I did that, I just went on and tried on the sweater. I kept it, honestly, all I did was cut the sleeves off. I just left it how it was. So now we're going to start on these jeans. I apologize for not showing this part, but I tried them on here and then marked exactly where I wanted my weird fabric to go, and then I flipped them out inside out after I cut along the seam to add that piece in there. Here I'm just laying the fabric over the seam, see how I want it to go, and then if this was a normal piece of clothing, I would have sewn this, but because it's not, and it's Halloween, I hot glued it. So there's me hot gluing. I also have the DVD there just as a little support. You could use a book or whatever just to not glue things together that you don't want glued. But I just put the fabric here along the seam. Here, I just inserted this part to show you when I put it in on the opposite side and then flipped it back to the right side just so you can see real quick how that looks. Alright, so here's a pic of those pants when I was finished. And then while I was at the party, I took a little vid of my costume. Those pants I made, threw on some boo-boos. I made this bracelet from duct tape and this necklace. Had this shirt, found this scarf that I got from a thrift store. I stole my girlfriend's glasses, threw my hair in some pigtails. Alright, now it's just some vids for the party. Hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.